We're in a loft here in Horsham today. The boards have been put down on top of the ceiling timbers. This obviously is incorrect because one, you've only got 100mm of insulation that's being squashed between the board and the ceiling. There's no air gap, so it can't breathe and you'll get condensation and mildew. Now we take out all the boards and I'm extending the hatch out here so we can fit a loft ladder. Next thing is loft legs in, and we're raising the floor up so the boards can sit on top of a raised platform so the insulation can fit underneath.
So this centre section has been boarded over. We took out the boards earlier, and of course if you board all this over on top of here, it leaves a void, and that void fills up with the warmer air, and that causes condensation on the cold air up here in the winter, and so you get damp everywhere and a mildew smell. Now to combat that, we're going to add a second layer of 200mm of this insulation, which is called Nuff. It's probably the best stuff out on the market at the moment. It's quite nice actually, it's not so itchy as this stuff. Now there's about 100mm, 80 to 100mm of the old stuff. We're going to put on 200mm going perpendicular down the loft, which is going to bring it up to approximately 280mm, which is what the government recommend for the minimal insulation in a loft. Now on top of that, as you can see, we've been fitting loft legs, these plastic legs, and then batten across the top. And if you have a look, there's an air gap all the way underneath this, which allows air to flow underneath the boards, stopping it condensing underneath the boards. So as it comes out of the eaves to the side of the loft and runs through, you haven't got any condensation build up underneath.
Once insulated, it's time to board, and we're using a product called Cabba Flooring, or P5 18mm thick tongue and groove boards. The P5 and the Cabba Flooring is a moisture resistant board, so it's great for lofts. It doesn't break down over the years, and it lasts a long time. It's normally put in your new houses as normal floorboards, and these sit above the insulation on top of the loft legs. So next job is to fit the loft ladder. This is a Fakro 1100 by 550. Fits all post-70s houses. Really lightweight to operate. These are great. I've been fitting them 10 years. I never get called back to them. They're draft excluded. They have an insulated hatch, handrail, nice big steps. Have a weight rating of 150 kilos. That's 25 stone, 20, something like that. Anyway, we cut it to size because they're all designed to go into a 2.8 metre high ceiling, so we have to tailor them down at the bottom so they can all fit in. Once in, we can put a nice pine architrave around. That's all mitered as well, so it looks all beautiful and pretty, and we just put that on with a nail gun. And as you can see there, need a bit of help from my 6'5" assistant there, which is quite handy. Okay, nice final product. We've also fitted a nice grab rail there. It's an angled grab rail. Really great they are for going in and out of lofts. And here we have it. We have a nice raised floor, ladder fitted and ready for use. Now, if you're interested in anything you see in this video, give us a call at Head Loft Ladders. You can get in touch with us from our website and the link below. And if you could give us a like and subscribe, that would be fantastic. Thanks for watching and see you soon.